Hello, literally nobody. So today we're going to be making a game in Scratch in 10 minutes. So let's see how this goes. So first of all, we got to get brainstorming. This is a big thing. Let's see. Okay, so I think I have an idea. It's going to be an infinite runner game. So we're going to have spikes. We need a player. So let's do that. Player in which I'm just gonna make it a square. We're gonna have some obstacles. That's how you spell obstacles for sure. And then we're gonna have a score counter. And the score counter, what did I just do? The score counter is going to be optional. So let's get working on it. Okay, so I am going to set a timer on my phone for 10 minutes. Clock app. Timer. $10. I have it. And now, before we start, let's brainstorm a name. The name Infinirunner. That seems good, right? Yeah, we're gonna go with that. Let's make the name Infinirunner. That's fine. Alright. 3, 2, 1, start. Okay, it started. Okay, first of all, we're gonna have to make a title screen. So let's just make a basic title screen. Nope. Where is it? Delete. Okay. Infinite Runner. Okay, so we're going to take this, we're going to make it larger, and you know what? Let's put it in a pixel font for no reason. Sure, right there. Press space. Shoot. To start. Okay, that's good. Stop. Okay, there we go. When green flag clicked, show, one space key pressed, hide. Okay, by the way, this whole thing is going to be completely unedited footage so that I do this in completely 10 minutes. Okay. So, yeah, okay, perfect. So now let's make the player. It's going to be a square, just like some other rhythm game, which is a platformer almost, but it continuously goes. We're just gonna make it a blue square since blue is the best color. If you don't agree with this, too bad. Okay, we have our character here. Let's make the ground. The ground is gonna be let's just make the ground the black square. Sure, that works. This looks perfect. 0, 0. Oh no. Now, a thing that I have is a backpack, and I have code in there, but I can't do that, right? So, I'm gonna have to recreate the code all myself. If touching... No, I did this in the wrong sprite. Get in there. Oh, gosh. Oh, I only have 7 minutes left. If touching sprite... No. Sprite 3... Change Y by 10. Oh, never mind. It's already 10. Forever change Y by -10. Perfect. Yes, collision. Okay, now we make a spike. Now, the way I make spikes is, let's zoom in real quick. I make a perfect square, delete one of these, turn it like that, and do this. Perfect. That's our spike. Okay, we're gonna put it over there, and when space key pressed, actually, shoot, go to front layer, broadcast message 1. I don't have time to name it. Okay. When I receive message 1, forever, change x, by -10, repeat until touching edge, and then go back to this specific, no, 221, no, not 222, 221, and then -70. Perfect. Sure. And then now in here, we're gonna make it so, let's see. Oh, wait. When space key pressed, repeat 10, repeat 10, repeat 10, repeat 10. Okay, we're gonna make this a 5, we're gonna make this a 3, we're gonna make this a 3, and we're gonna make this a 5. Change Y by, sure, we'll go with 10. And then we'll go with 5 for this one. -5. Oh, no. No. -10. Okay. So now we have that. Sure. That works. Y. When green flag clicked, set Y to 70. That works. Why? Oh no. Okay. Wait. It has to be in the gravity script. I forgot about that. Okay. If space key pressed, do this. It works. It works. Okay. If where is it? Forever, if touching sprite 4, then broadcast. I can't use message 1, so I'll just, sure, that works. And then shoot. What do I do? Shoot. My mind's brain fogging. Here we go. No. Here we go. No, actually, you know what? We don't even need to do this. Backgrounds. Game over. Perfect. That works. Make that larger. Sure, that was perfect. And then we just, when I receive Kebedgwe, we're going to switch backdrop to backdrop 2 and stop all. And then when the green flag is clicked, we are going to set the backdrop to backdrop 1. Perfect. So now, shoot. We have to set this to right here when the green flag is clicked. Alright, let's try it. Perfect. It works. Okay. Now all we need to do is add some music. We have 2 minutes and 22 seconds. I'm thinking let's just get it from here. Is the volume... Okay, turn the volume up. Notes, I guess. Where's a good, like, songs? Loops. Sure, let's go with that. Okay, delete this. Forever. Actually, yeah, okay. When I receive message, no. When I receive message 1, bam. We have 1 minute and 23 seconds left. We need to set the thumbnail. That's a good one. Perfect. And then what? Okay, let's give the character some eyes and a mouth since we didn't do that. Actually, kind of like this look. Okay, what else do we need to do? Let's... This looks good, actually. Okay, let's just, let's make sure this is centered. That's a good idea. Okay, get that centered and then just lift it up. Perfect. That's perfect. What do we do? Oh, we don't have enough time to add any more obstacles unless I just duplicate this. Sure. No. Copy and paste. Put it like this. And then we just do this. Let's just move that in there a little bit to make it more possible. That's fine. When I receive message 1, wait, pick random 1 to 5, actually no, 1 to 10 seconds. That works. Save. That's it. Okay. Oh my gosh. We're gonna play it now. I suck. Oh, the loop sounds so terrible. Wait, no! Okay, we're just gonna do one quick thing real quick. 210. No one's ever gonna know. Just pretend that I didn't do that. We're good. What the? Why is that like... What's wrong? Oh my gosh. Pretend I didn't do this, please. Please. This is so embarrassing. Oh, come on. Sure, that works. FG. Or FJ. When I receive FJ. Okay. Pretend I never did that, please. That's more like 10.5 minutes, wasn't it? It's definitely more like 10.5 minutes, but that's okay. Oh my gosh. Um, 10.5 minutes. Made in 10.5 minutes. Oh, come on! Dang it! That's that's okay, right? Nobody needs to know that I did that. What happened to the music? Oh my gosh. When I receive message 1, broadcast. Bile. When I receive this. Okay. I promise. Okay, you know what? Whatever happens wrong next, this is done. I'm not doing anything more. Why? Oh my gosh. I take back what I said. This is just sad. You know what? That's just gonna be what this is. I'm not gonna fix that any further. Made in 10.5 minutes. Space. And then once this is released, I'm going to put the link for this in this box here. But for now, yeah. I'll put the link to the game in the description for the very few people who are actually going to want to play this. Because this sucks. Mostly because I made it in 10.5 minutes. But, whatever. That's just what it is. Good day, bye.